Hi friends, in the last two videos we covered 12 security domains. We can put all those security domain into three major categories. Three major categories are Microsoft 365 security, the second one is cloud security, the third one is cyber security. If you look at the Microsoft 365 security, here the main focus area is Microsoft ecosystem protection. We have to protect the user mailboxes. We have to protect the user devices. We have to protect the user data, cloud apps in corporate environment. Microsoft 365 security covers Microsoft 365 security core security. That means mailbox, Teams, SharePoint, devices, cloud apps, data, identities. That is corporate digital asset. What do you mean by corporate digital asset? These are all corporate users. Corporate users account, that is identity. Corporate users data, which is stored in either in OneDrive or SharePoint, or in other locations. Corporate users devices, that is endpoints, laptop, desktop, mobile devices. Corporate users cloud apps. We need to protect all these corporate digital asset, that is core security. If you look at the identity and access management IAM, it covers Entra ID. It is nothing but a Azure Active Directory. It is similar to on-prem Active Directory. Conditional access policies, MFA policies, single sign-on. These are all covered in the IAM, that is Identity and Access Management. Information and data security, that is Purview. Compliance is called Purview. DLP, data loss prevention policies, encryption policies, Azure information protection, AIP. This is for data security, information security. Endpoint and device security covers Intune and Differtify endpoints. Intune we can manage all the devices. We have to onboard or enroll the device into Intune. We can enroll or onboard the all type of devices like user laptop, desktop, Windows devices, iPhone, iPad OS, MacBooks, Android phones, Linux devices. We can enroll or onboard the device into Intune. We can manage the device. We can use Defender for endpoint to protect the devices. If the corporate user device is exposed to cyber attack, how to protect those devices? We can use Defender for endpoints to protect those devices. So we manage the corporate device using Intune and protect the secure the corporate device using Defender for endpoints. Governance Risk and Compliance (GRC). It covers purview compliance, compliance manager, insider risk management. Lot of things is there. So if you want to be a Microsoft security expert, Microsoft security engineers, you need to study these things. Second category, that is cloud security. Here the focus is mainly on the cloud infrastructures, cloud workloads, cloud native workloads like multi-cloud and hybrid security. Cloud security covers securing the all the workloads running in the public cloud like Azure, AWS, GCP. How to protect the cloud infrastructures? How to protect servers, apps, VMs, databases, containers, Kubernetes clusters, everything running in the cloud. For that we have CSPM, Cloud Security Posture Management, Cloud Workload Protection Platform CWPP, CAEM, Cloud Identity Entitlement Management. So if you want to be a cloud security engineers, you should have knowledge in CSPM, how it is working, what is CSPM, how it is working, how can use, how can we configure and implement CSPM to protect the cloud resources. How can we configure and implement CWPP, Cloud Workload Protection Platform, for protecting the cloud resources, cloud workloads, and CIAM. Cloud security covers infrastructure security, and cloud infrastructure security. In Azure, we have VNet, virtual network. How to design VNet, how to secure VNet, what is subnet, VMs, firewalls, Azure firewalls, and then hybrid infrastructure. How to connect on-prem and cloud infrastructures by using Express Route, site using VPN gateway. That is infrastructure security. Application and DevSecOps security. How to secure the pipelines, how to secure the DevOps CI/CD pipelines, how to secure the API endpoints, how to secure the containers. So you should study this application security and DevSecOps, and then operational technology and IoT security. These are all industrial products, industrial sensors, IoT security, like printers, CCTV cameras. Lot of things is there. So we need to study how to product the OT devices and IoT devices, and then AI and emerging tech security. Nowadays, all of the people are using AI tools. Does the AI tool is safe for everyone? No. So how to protect corporate data used in AI tools? So this is second is cloud security. If you want to be a cloud security engineer, if you want to be a cloud security expert, you need to study minimum you should have knowledge in two public clouds, Azure AWS or GCP, and then infrastructure security, application security, DevSecOps security, OT and IoT security, AI. The third is cybersecurity. Cybersecurity, here the focus area is broader for the enterprise and enterprise defenses. In cybersecurity, it covers threat protection, SOC, SIM, SOAR tools, XDR tools, SOC, Security Operations Center, SIM, Security Information Event Management, SOAR, Security Orchestration and Automated Response, XDR, Extended Detection and Response. You should have some good knowledge in these things. What is threat protection? How to protect? How to investigate? How to remediate? SOC, what are the SOC roles? How the SOC analysts are working? What tools they are using? SIM tools, SOAR tools, XDR tools, and the network and perimeter security. You should have knowledge in firewalls. You should have knowledge in zero trust framework. You should have knowledge in DNS, JET-NA, identity and access security. We have seen this in Microsoft 365 security. Information and data security. Also, it is covered in the Microsoft 365 security. GRC, governance, risk and compliance. Also, it is covered in Microsoft 365 security. So, you should have good knowledge in these items. So, whenever you're looking for a job in security, check whether you are looking for a job in Microsoft 365 security or cloud security or cyber security. So, each security job require different set of security domains. So, make sure you have knowledge in, study and knowledge in those security domains. So, we can broadly classify all those security domain into three categories: Microsoft 365 security, cloud security, and cyber security. Microsoft 365 security covers security for mailbox, security for Teams, SharePoint, OneDrive, security for endpoint, security for cloud app, security for identities, identity and access management, data security, endpoint security, compliance risk and governance, GRC. Cloud security covers cloud security in Azure, AWS, GCP, and infrastructure security, application DevOps security, operational OT and IoT security, AI security. The third category is cyber security. It covers cyber security like SIM, SOAR tools, XDR tools, EDR tools, threat intelligence, threat production, everything. Network and perimeter security, identity and access management, data security, GRC, compliance, risk and governance. Thank you, friends. We will connect in another class.